Hello, myself Dr. Yogita Rathi. I am from Mahasamund, Chhattisgarh. I have completed my MBBS and Diploma in Childhood from the Raipur Medical College. I came here to learn the ECO level 1 and level 2. I was very fond of the training of a 2D ECO, and I searched so many doctors and so many ECO trainers, and then I got to learn about Delhi Child Heart Center and Dr. Vikas Kohli sir. I joined that course on 1st January 2022, and for the 6 month of level 1 and level 2, and that was a very eventful period for me. And in that period I have sir has given me few lectures. In the lectures I have got to the theory and a practical part. I came here to join the practical with Dr. Vikas Kohli sir, and day one when I came, I don't know how to hold the probe and how to do a echo. And when on the day two and when I'm going to complete my training, that I'm having a confidence to do the approximately all the views. And this whole training, before this training I was very amazed of I was trying to hold the probe and try to get a views of echo. But in this whole training I got to learn how to hold the probe, how to get a view, how to optimize my images, and how to get an interpretation, but also my lacking part was the how to handle the machine. I was always found out that how to handle the machine, how to handle a child, that in pediatrics we have a problem a lot, like a child is crying, how to get an image and how to get and at the same time how to get that machine handled, and same time we have to interpret. And that's all thing I personally like that part. Sir has told me that each and every time we have to use my one hand for that probe handling, and my left hand for machine handling, and just my eyes on the screen. That is the coordination sir told me, like a steering wheel, and that was the right part, and I am getting very helpful for me. And along with that, the lectures in the course, the Doppler lecture, the views lecture, I was very fond of the views. Like I was always try to read what kind of view, like a subcostal, PLXs, and the apical view. I was very confused, but after the lectures they are very emphasis, and they are very key point. I want to say the key points. They are having a key points. It's very easy. So in a last thing, I just want to conclude to my colleagues, my seniors, if you want to join a course for a 2D choreography and for a pediatrics, you must have to come and visit here. Right.